The quiet cracks begin to show in places you forgot to know. The walls once strong now start to fall. A gentle sign to hear the call. What's left undone returns again, to ask for care and steady hands. By facing what was set aside, you stop the fading of your stride. A warning of neglect appears, inviting action through your fears. With humble steps you start to mend, and guard the path you must defend. Diligence restores the way, and keeps more losses held at bay. You gather strength from lessons past, and choose to make repairs that last. By meeting each forgotten place, you bring renewal to your space. The risks grow small when truth is near, and you respond with grounded care. Your future brightens day by day, when you restore what fell away. A warning of neglect appears, inviting action through your fears. With humble steps you start to mend, and guard the path you must defend. Diligence restores the way, and keeps more losses held at bay. Healing begins when